Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Wingcoin. So in this video I'm talking about the Wingcoin, what's the price change goes in a Wingcoin and what's the next target of Wingcoin, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates about Wingcoin, friends. First of all, we look the price of the Wingcoin. At this time, what is the price of Wingcoin? As you can see here, at this time the price of the Wingcoin is about 0.00127 USD dollar is the current price of Wingcoin. And now if we look the change occur in the Wingcoin, in the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is positive, and last 1 week change is negative, friends. That's mean that the last 1 day change is positive, yesterday change is positive. So that's mean that now from the previous last 1 day they take an explosion, and now they again in the jumping mode. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the Wingcoin, friends. As you can see here now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of the Wingcoin occurs on the cryptocurrency market. If you look the change occur in the Wingcoin in the last 1 day, so the change is about positive 4.31%, and the high price is about 0.001334 USD dollar is the high price of Wingcoin in the last 1 day period, friends. If we are trying to detect the next target of the Wingcoin, so let's do a technical analysis of the Wingcoin. What's the price change goes at this time in the Wingcoin, friends. Let's suppose that is a support level, and let's suppose that is a resistance level, friends. Now friends, let's suppose, as you can see here, now if we look the price prediction change occur in the Wingcoin, so as you can see here, a falls occur in the Wingcoin, and after a falls take a jump, again falls down for a little time, again take a jump, and now again falls down. And if we look the currently situation of Wingcoin, so currently they are again falling, after some falls they again take a jump and moving upward, friends. So the next target of the Wingcoin is about, as you can see here, that is the next target of Wingcoin. As you can see here, that is the next target of Wingcoin. 0.00134 USD dollar is the current and the next target of the Wingcoin. What do you think, they can hit this target or not? And just tomorrow they can hit this target or not? Please share your opinion about this in a comment section, and kindly subscribe ABS Tech channel for more new updates and cryptocurrency news. Thank you so much for watching this video.